Okay, I have a simple barrel knot on here. Actually, I got the improved simple barrel knot. There's a link popping up on how to try the simple barrel knot. This is how I catch gar. We use a real little hook. It's not big. And we use whatever fish is in the area. Today, the fish in the area was little baby shad. See how tiny they are, so the hook's perfect. And you want to go, the shad have a little dot on them right there. You can see that little dot. And you just put it through. Now, if he was alive, he would still be swimming, but even the fact that he's dead, with no sinker or anything on there, that's just going to float in the water with you, and it doesn't tend to snag, and it gets the current hitting it, and the gar really go for that because it's going to be more up top. So that's usually how we catch gar. That's how we caught gar today. It's also how I caught the big catfish. I can also put a link for that video at the end, and gar the other day. So that is a simple gar rig with a shad, no sinker, nothing like that. You're just using this when you see a gar or you're drifting somewhere down a river and you just want to float next to you. This is a great way to get them. So if you like the video, please click subscribe and the little bell next to it, and we'll have more great knots for you to look at and how to catch fish. Have a good day.